guys, thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Kay, and today I have a hair install using CYNOSURE hair. Now this hair is 180 density, 26 inches. Yes, your girl has those inches in, and this hair is very thick. I already applied the lace tint to the lace. Applying the Bold Hold liquid gold to secure the lace. And y'all, I was hyped because I definitely ordered one of these little toothbrush, I don't know what they call it, but yes, and I got a cheetah print.
There's no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me faced.
So this is my first time using the Bold Hold liquid gold, and I recommend cutting the lace and applying it by sections because it come out fast. Once I put the lace on the adhesive, I am going to brush the baby hair out the way and start blow drying to get a secure hold.
Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you.
After tying it down with the elastic band, yes honey, I'm going in with the robe tie, whatever you want to call it, to hold the robe together and securing it.
I don't need you, 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 but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I just lost and hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night him. I never listened, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. 'Cause I usually do stick to the business. But you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind and shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to,
I do want to apologize for not showing the rest of this on camera, but y'all, I couldn't see, and the way my mirror was set up, it was just hard for me to like cut the lace off of the hair and make it lay nice, so I had to do that off camera. I'm sorry.
I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Trip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
So I already added the concealer. I think it's Fine or Suede. Match my complexion a little bit, and then just blending it with the beauty blender. And there you have it. Thank you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, and see y'all soon.